one of the best idea to achieve the state of peace and thoughtlessness in meditation is to balance your energy of both the nostril, your right nostril and the left nostril. So what you have to do is whichever nostril is active at a time, you should close that nostril. For example, if the right one is active, you just close that nostril and breath from the left one. Do it for around 20 to 30 seconds and you will feel that after some time both the nostrils are active. Once both the nostrils are active, you should start inhaling and exhaling from them, and you will easily achieve the state of thoughtlessness. This technique will really help you to go deeper into meditation, and also you should try keeping your focus on the center of the third eye, and this is also the technique to keep your mind more peaceful. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.